Hello children, welcome to the online class, Subject Science, Class 6. Today we are going to see about Unit 7, Parts of Computer. What are the parts of computer? There are three important parts are there. Input unit, Central Processing Unit called CPU and Output unit. Input unit means it helps to send the data and commands for the processing. So what processing we need to do, that processing through the input unit we can send to the computer. Some examples of the input units are here. Barcode reader, light pen, mouse, keyboard, web camera and microphone mic. These are some of the input devices. Next we are going to see about the central processing unit called CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. The data is processed in the CPU. The CPU has namely three parts: memory unit, arithmetic logic unit ALU and control unit. Control unit means it controls the function of all parts of the computer. Then arithmetic unit, it performs all the arithmetic computations like addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. Then memory unit, it saves all the data and information. So we can classify the memory unit into two types, that is primary memory unit and secondary memory unit. Then we are going to see about the output unit. So when we give some input, then all the processing are done with the help of the CPU. Then output unit helps us to collect the data. So the output unit converts command received by the computer in the form of binary signals only. So that binary signals are easily understandable characters. It may be changed to easily understandable characters with the help of the output unit. So some of the output units are monitor, printer, speaker, scanner. Then of the various output devices, the monitor is the important output device. So there are two types of monitor, namely cathode ray tube monitor, that is CRT, and thin film transistor monitors, TFT. Next let's see about the memory unit. The memory devices are to store the data for later references. So the smallest measuring unit of memory is called bit, 0, 1. So 8 bits equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte equal to 1 terabyte. 1024 terabyte equal to 1 petabyte. Then some of the computers classifications are here. The computers can be classified as followed based on their design, shape, speed, efficiency, working of the memory unit and their application. The classifications are mainframe computer, mini computer, micro or personal computer, supercomputer. So let me see about the personal computer and its types. The personal computer comes under the microcomputer. It has some types, that is desktop, laptop and tablet. And some of the cables are very important to the function of the computer. What are the cables are here? Video graphics array, VGA. Then high definition multimedia interface, HDMI. Universal serial bus, USB. Data cable, power card, mic cable, Ethernet cable. So these are some of the cables. VGA cable, it connects the computer monitor with the CPU. This is USB cable. This is a device like printer or connected with the computer using this cable. This is HDMI cable. It connects monitor, projector with the computer. This is data cable used to connect tablets, mobile phones to the CPU for the data. The audio jack. It is used to connect the speaker to the computer. Power cord temporarily connects an appliance to the main electricity supply. This is mic cable. To connect the mic to the CPU, mic wire or cords are used. Ethernet cable helps to establish internet connectivity. Then some of the wireless connections also there. Let me see about that. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. These are the wireless connections. This is Bluetooth connection. Mouse, keyboard can be connected to the computer using the Bluetooth. The data can be shared with nearby devices only. Then Wi-Fi, any data from anywhere can be shared using the Wi-Fi. These two are the wireless connections to the computers. So hope you understand about all the parts of the computer, children. Thank you.